You, yes, you can start your own franchise. Hey there everybody, Scavenger Steve back here with you. And today I find myself in a little town in Colombia in an airport, about ready to catch a hop across the mountain, going into a town called Bucaramanga, over 500,000 people. And the guy that I've chosen to do the reading of my book in Spanish lives there. He's been a friend of mine for 6 years. He's an English professor at a university in Bucaramanga, Colombia. Hope you can hear me, but this is about business. This trip is business and pleasure, but this message to you today is the following. You see that up there? That says Cafe Willy's. It's a brand new franchise, just started here in Colombia a couple of years ago. And you, yes, you can start your own franchise. Read up on it. Educate yourself. It doesn't have to be a coffee shop like this one, although I just had a cup of their coffee. I'd be looking for my bag. I don't want anybody to pick up my bag. Marvelous coffee. The biggest coffee shop here in all of Colombia. It's like Starbucks. It's called Juan Valdez. Back in the United States, we used to get those commercials on TV. I haven't seen them lately. I haven't been watching so much TV lately, though. But it's an idea for you. Don't ever discount yourself. You just might be sitting on top of a gold mine. Activate your brain. As I saw on TV one time, your brain is a terrible thing to waste. Or your mind is a terrible thing to waste. You'd be surprised what you can come up with. Study up on it. You just might be able to create your own franchise. Now that I've said that, I'm going to jump down here because I had to elevate myself. This is the old Willis Jeep. When I came to here to Colombia 44 years ago, the government gave a huge discount tax break to everybody that bought a four-wheel drive vehicle. And so that's the old Willis Jeep that used to be around in the United States when I was younger. So they're trying to promote their cafe, their coffee. You can see this cafetero, coffee farmer, standing there. So I'm just going to film for you here for another moment or so before I say goodbye. And here we are again. Got this disabled Jeep, of course. And as I said, they're using it to promote their brand of coffee, Willis Coffee. And so I'm going to walk along and show you a little bit more. You can see over there. There you can see the name of the franchise again, Cafe Willy's. And then I'll walk along here and I'll just show you. They have travel bags available, of course. They've got their coffee. They're handling two different types of coffee. They've got Willy's coffee, and they have another brand of coffee here that I haven't heard of until today. They tell me it's very, very good, so I'm going to buy a bag of it and take it back to my home in Marshalltown, Iowa. You can see the really colorful sombreros, hats, and bags, and a couple of the ladies working here. They just made me up a fresh cup of coffee a minute ago. It is sensational. And also they have sweet breads, and they have yogurt, they have beer and wine, and a little bit of everything, even whiskey. Look at that. They're selling whiskey. Just before you board a plane, you can have a shot of whiskey. So that's about all. Having a good time here in Colombia, making lots of videos in Spanish. 8 or 9 or 10. No, I made 9 last night. I gave a speech for almost 2 hours. I hired a local kid to film me. It'll be on my Spanish channel, one of my 2 Spanish channels. Only the Broken Seeds Grow is a new book I'm launching in both languages this month, now starting in September, before the end of this month. Catch me on YouTube, and catch me only Broken Seeds Grow on YouTube. And then solo semillas quebradas crecen in Spanish, if you're bilingual and can understand me now. Getting close to 5 minutes, I gotta let you go. Having a really good time here in Colombia. Hope to see you all very soon. And this is Scavenger Steve signing off and reminding you to go seize the day and scavenge your way. And I've got my fingers crossed for you that you just might be able to come up with an idea to form your own franchise. See you later, alligators, when your legs are straighter. Bye-bye. Adios. Ciao, como dicen, like they say here in Colombia. Ciao.